Good day guys! Welcome to another video of The Limit Breakers. Today, I'm with Idris and Alfonso and we're going to give you examples on finding the limits of algebraic and transcendental functions. Let's go!
So the given here is to find the limit of x cubed plus 5x squared plus 10x plus 13 when x approaches to -3. Since the equation is a polynomial function, the solution here is to directly substitute -3 to x. After substituting, just simply solve the rest and you'll get the final answer. Therefore, the limit of the equation is 1.
In this given, we will try to find the limit of the function 7 over x squared minus 13x minus 12 as x approaches -infinity. We first go to the denominator and factor out x squared. Which will give us x squared times 1 minus 13 over x minus 12 over x squared. As we substitute -infinity to x squared will only go positively infinity, while the fractions in the factored form will approach 0. This will give us 7 over positive infinity times 1, which is equal to 7 over positive infinity. As the fraction's denominator gets bigger and bigger, we know that its value gets smaller approaching 0.
Our last example is a transcendental function. We are asked to find the limit of tangent 5x all over x as x approaches 0. As we can see, directly substituting x for 0 will make the expression into the form 0 over 0, which is indeterminate. We convert tangent 5x into the ratio sine 5x over cosine 5x all over x. As we can see, it is a complex fraction, so we have to get the reciprocal of the denominator and multiply to the numerator. Now, it can be written as the limit of sine 5x all over cosine 5x times 1 over x as x approaches 0. You might notice that we can almost see a limit theorem in the expression. So, what we have to do is multiply 5 over 5 to the expression. Rearranging the factors, we would get the limit of sine 5x all over 5x times 5 all over cosine 5x as x approaches 0. Now, we may be able to perform the limits. For emphasis, I just distributed the limit operations. According to the theorem, the limit of sine 5x all over 5x as x approaches 0 is equal to 1. On the other hand, the limit of 5 all over cosine 5x as x approaches 0 is equal to 5 by substitution. All in all, we would get 1 times 5, which is equal to 5. Therefore, the limit of the whole expression is 5. So that's a wrap. If you have more questions or clarifications, kindly message us in our Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram account. Again, we are the Limit Breakers, and as we find these limits in calculus, never forget this fruitful quote: live your life to the limit. Thank you and have a blessed day ahead.